In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sheets editing basics. If you're new to Sheets, that grid of rows and columns can look a little intimidating, but with a few simple habits, you'll be building clear, organized spreadsheets in no time. We'll focus on three essentials: entering data, making your text fit, and undoing mistakes. First, entering data. Click any cell once and start typing to replace its contents from scratch. That single click puts the whole cell in overwrite mode, which is perfect when the cell is empty or you want to completely change what's there. But here's the trick that saves a ton of time. If you only want to change part of what's inside a cell, maybe just one word or a single number, double-click the cell. That opens edit mode inside the cell, so you can place your cursor exactly where you want and tweak just that piece without wiping the rest. When you're done, press Enter to confirm, or click elsewhere to move on. If you accidentally overwrote something you meant to edit, don't worry. We'll fix it with undo in a moment. Next, let's make sure everything you type is easy to read. If your text looks cut off, it probably means the column is too narrow. Move your mouse to the line between the column letters at the top until the cursor changes. Then click and drag to widen or shrink that column. For a quick, clean solution, double-click that line to auto-fit the column to the longest entry in that column. Auto-fit is great for headings and labels you want fully visible. If you prefer to keep a tidy, fixed column width, turn on text wrap so long entries flow onto multiple lines within the same cell instead of spilling across neighboring cells. Wrapping keeps your layout compact while still showing the full content, and it's especially helpful for notes or longer descriptions. Finally, mistakes happen, sometimes big ones, and that's where undo comes in. Press Ctrl+Z to reverse your last action. Keep pressing it to step back through your recent changes until things look right again. Undo is like a time machine for your sheet, and it works on almost everything: edits, formatting, and even accidental deletions. When in doubt, undo it, then continue confidently. That's it. Type with intention, resize or wrap so everything fits, and use undo as your safety net. With these basics, you're ready to start building clear, reliable spreadsheets. What's the next sheet skill you want to learn?